Hi all, welcome back to our channel. In this video, it gives an idea on how reporting management system or recruitment analysis focus on Odoo 15 recruitment and its importance during the recruitment process. By accessing the recruitment module under the reporting tab, you will get the recruitment analysis. So click on that and you will get a detailed overview of the window here. You can generate the reports in the bar chart, line chart and also in the pie chart. And here we have the sorting options like descending and ascending way. It is also possible to get a full view of the representation by clicking on the full screen view. Apart from the dashboard view, here we have the pivot view and also the graph view. After all, you can get the graphical representation of the report using the options in the Measures tab. Here we have the hired, hired by referral, new applicant, refused, has referrer or process duration. The Odoo helps you to segregate the data using various default and customizable filters. By selecting the filters option, you will get the last 365 days applicant or start date. And you will also get any representation by using the group by options. So here we have the job position and the company. And under the favorite tab, you can see the save current search, link menu in spreadsheet, add to my dashboard, add to Google spreadsheet, etc. From the save current search and add to my dashboard, you will get a drop down menu, so you can set it according to that. Similarly, you will get a report of hired people, recruitment rate, referral rate, process duration in weeks and the median through the pie chart. Odoo also facilitates a pivot representation of the recruitment analysis. However, it also gives you access to the measures discussed before. Also, you will get the options like filters, group by and the favorites that we have discussed in the graphical representation. Additionally, you will get the access to menus like insert in spreadsheet, expand all, flip axis and to download it. So we have mentioned all the data mentioned in the measures box. So it will quickly help you to analyze the overall details of the recruitment process done by the recruiter. The management can get a general idea of what, how and when to manage the recruitment and imply the necessary strategies. So with this video, the recruitment management module of the Odoo ERP system gives you an idea that it cannot stand as an alternative for processing all operation as a competent tool, and it focuses on all the activities imparted by the recruitment in a comprehensive manner and automation in resources management in a very authentic way. Thus, the Odoo ERP for maintaining the recruitment task cannot be replaced at any cost, since the importance of Odoo ERP in recruitment is relevant and solves your task easily. That's all about the video. Thank you for watching.